You don't need a co-founder, coder, or investor. These AI tools let you build and launch a solo startup fast. Solo founder at laptop, dashboard previews, launch page loading. 1. Idea generation. Start with ChatGPT or Idea Buddy. Ask for startup ideas in your niche. Refine them into a problem-solution statement. You can even validate with surveys using Typeform, Yaon, AI summary. ChatGPT generating 3 startup ideas. User picking 1. 2. Branding, design. Use Looka or Brandmark to generate logos and color palettes. Then use Canva Pro to create social banners, pitch decks, and product visuals. Logo created in seconds. Brand kit auto-applied to assets. 3. Build an MVP. Use Bubble, Webflow, or Framer to build your app or site no code needed. Combine it with Zapier or Make.com to automate processes like signups or emails. Drag and drop app builder. Preview of working prototype. 4. Content marketing. Use Jasper, Copy.ai, or ChatGPT to write your landing page. Add copy and email flows. Use Pictory or InVideo to create promo videos. Auto-generated ad. Email campaign setup. Social post published. 5. Launch feedback. Launch on Product Hunt, Reddit, or Indie Hackers. Collect feedback, iterate, and scale. AI saves time, so you can stay focused on value. Product Hunt listing going live. First user comment, sales notification. Huge. This is how solo founders move fast with AI. Want the full tool list? Link in bio.